Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And it seems like the Windows updates have been blocked for Dell computers, or most Dell computers. It would seem that after the Patch Tuesday of this month, but also that goes actually further back, it has to do with the preview update that was released in late June. Um, Dell machines that have a CPU from Intel that has the innovation platform um, kind of uh, process and the drivers is the problem. There's a kind of a conflict apparently since Microsoft did a change. It would seem that USB-C drivers and the Intel CPU innovative platform drivers are kind of clashing and having issues. So some of those that have installed, and of course, if you have installed the security update also for July, which is a KB 510-1650, might see that your computer shuts down from time to time. It also might be very slow. And it has to do with the processor performance, which actually makes the processor overheat. And that what is happening. So when it gets too hot, to protect itself, the processor will shut down the PC. And so this is what happens with that problem. So they're working on a fix. It's a known issue. Microsoft did say that they have blocked Patch Tuesday updates for now to Dell computers, and that as soon as that is fixed, they will, of course, issue the Windows updates for Patch Tuesday to the Dell machines out there. So your Dell machine might not be also, part of it, because it really is a specific Dell computer with specific Intel processors that do it. So some Dell machines might have the update because they are not on the same CPU. But if you haven't seen, or if you don't see the Patch Tuesday updates on a Dell PC, it's because there's a block right now. If you have installed it and your PC shuts down all the time, well, you can always revert to the by removing the update of the Patch Tuesday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.